Hey guys, welcome back to the Essence of Mohana channel where I do tutorial videos on digital art, graphite joints, and paintings. And today I will be introducing my focal point art style to you guys, where I focus primarily on the highlighted portions of the face and minimal details. And the background is usually 100% stark black. Okay, so with that being said, I hope you enjoyed this video. It's pretty short and sweet. If you love it so far, you could give it a like, comment, share, and remember to turn on your notification bell so you don't miss another video. Please enjoy. Peace.